Dubai has been able to establish its tourism position at the level of the region and even the world at large, as it set out strongly towards development that supports the UAE's progress towards sustainable development at a steady pace, in addition to its brilliance by constructing the most beautiful tall towers in Dubai, including what has become an architectural icon. When we mention the Republic of Egypt, the first thing that comes to our mind is the pyramids, and when we mention the City of Lights, Paris, of course, we will remember the Eiffel Tower. As for Dubai, the first landmark that comes to mind is the architectural masterpiece, Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa, with its wonderful engineering design and its location in the middle of the Emirate of Dubai, was able to become an icon associated with the name of the Emirate of Dubai. All information about Burj Khalifa is unique and exceptional and will definitely surprise you. We dedicate this video today to serve as a comprehensive and carefully detailed report on Burj Khalifa, in which we will collect the most important information, so do not skimp on us by subscribing to the channel and activating the notification bell to receive all new. Burj Khalifa is considered one of the most advanced buildings in the world in terms of architecture and technology, as every aspect of it has been meticulously designed. Burj Khalifa was inaugurated on January 4, 2010, as part of an imaginary ceremony that took the audience to a magical world. An exceptional show was presented in which the Dubai Fountain danced to the tunes of Arabic and classical music. Fireworks were launched from Burj Khalifa for the first time, and this painting was drawn by Dubai, the first of its kind, which has attracted the attention of the world to this day. The tower is designed to maintain seismic activities to a certain level, and it can move in any direction about 1.5 meters, explained Bashar Mohammed Kasib, Senior Manager Technical Services, Burj Khalifa. The cost of the project amounted to about 6 billion dirhams, equivalent to $1.5 billion. Everything about the tower is massive and the numbers are huge. More than 12,000 people from all over the world worked on the Burj Khalifa.
Architectural facts about Burj Khalifa.
When searching, you will find that Burj Khalifa contains countless information related to building details and architectural information. We will highlight the most important of them.
Burj Khalifa exterior design.
More than 45,000 cubic meters of concrete were used, which includes 192 columns buried at a depth of more than 50 meters. More than 26,000 hand-cut glass panels were used in the exterior cladding of the building, which includes housing, offices and hotels. It takes about 3 months to clean the building from top to bottom. Burj Khalifa Dubai is 828 meters high. The world's largest cranes were used in the construction of the tower, which can carry 25 tons. The weight of the aluminum used in the construction of Burj Khalifa is equivalent to 5 A380 aircraft. Burj Khalifa elevators reach a speed of 10 meters per second, making them the fastest in the world. The temperature difference between the highest point in Burj Khalifa and the ground floor is 6 degrees Celsius. 330,000 cubic meters of cement were used, and 39,000 tons of reinforced iron. The exterior cladding in Burj Khalifa consists of reflective glass, aluminum and steel panels. Approximately 26,000 glass panels were cut by hand. Construction took 22 million man-hours. More than 380 engineers and technicians worked on the project. The structure is shaped like a Y, with the addition of setbacks along each of its 3 wings providing stability to the structure. Burj Khalifa is crowned with a mast made of more than 4,000 tons of structural steel. The mast was designed as an integral part of the tower's design. The mast houses communications equipment. The architectural design is characterized by an abstract triple imprint of the Himinocalis flower. The individual stems that rise around the central courtyard divert most of the winds around the building. Structural architect Bill Baker calls it, confounding the wind.
Burj Khalifa interior design.
The tower was designed by the architectural firm Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, Somm. managed by award-winning designer Nada Andrić in the design of the public areas. Stone, in addition to the use of the finest types of handmade carpets.
Burj Khalifa facilities.
The activities that can be carried out in Burj Khalifa are varied, as Burj Khalifa includes a group of facilities designated either to serve the residents that make living in Burj Khalifa something special, or those designated for visitors to the tower, and they include Armani Hotel, which occupies the concourse floor, levels 8, levels 38 and 39, levels 9 to 16, includes 160 rooms and suites that offer the highest standards of hospitality that are luxurious and sophisticated. In an innovative and creative way between the unique and perfect taste of the Italian designer Giorgio Armani, and the long and great experience in the field of building and the development of luxury real estate for the Emirati company Emaar. High luxury residential apartments occupy the floors of 45 to 108 special suites for commercial and corporate purposes. The luxurious Atmosphere restaurant is one of the most famous restaurants and is characterized by service that you will not find similar anywhere else, in addition to delicious food and dishes. It is an ideal destination to enjoy watching the sunset and wonderful views of the Emirates' picturesque skyline. As it is located at an altitude of 442 meters on the 122nd floor as for the other Burj Khalifa restaurant reservation options, they include the Ristorante restaurant and the lounge, not to mention a number of luxury restaurants that are included in the Armani Hotel and others. The observation deck at the top of the tower located on the 124th floor, which provides a wonderful 360-degree view of Dubai. 57 elevators consisting of 2 floors with a capacity of 12 to 14 people in each cabin, and the elevators move at a speed of 10 meters per second. The capacity of the firefighting elevator is 5,500 kilograms, and it is considered the longest service elevator in the world. 8 escalators, 4 swimming pools, a private social lounge for residents, fitness facilities and recreational rooms that can be used for events and social events. A private library, considered the longest library in the world.
Other facilities.
Burj Khalifa facilities are not limited to what has been mentioned, as they vary to include the following: special suites for commercial and corporate purposes, a social lounge for residents, private library.
Graduated design reduces wind impact.
Burj Khalifa features a tiered design along 27 levels from the base to the top. This design is architecturally elegant, but it also plays a key role in reducing the impact of wind on the building. In this context, William Baker, designer of the architectural aspects of Burj Khalifa at Skidmore, Owings & Merrill, commented in 2007, "The gradients along the length of the tower are of great importance in terms of wind level, as the flow of wind vortices creates a constant level to generate very large forces and thus to the emergence of large movements. With 24 main gradients, the level of wind flow becomes different from one floor to another, which leads to very different oscillations within the tower itself." The design was extensively tested in wind tunnels prior to its construction, as a result of which the building plan was rotated 120 degrees in order to reduce the impact of wind. Burj Khalifa gradients are also available.
An engineering feat beyond description.
Burj Khalifa is distinguished by amazing engineering works that are almost superior to its impressive design. Every aspect of the building is peppered with innovations such as a 6-degree gap between the top and base of the tower to improve cooling and air conditioning efficiency, as well as a system for collecting accumulated water and sewage in the tower for use in irrigation. On the other hand, a cement mixture that includes tons of snow was used in the construction of the tower due to the height of the tower and the high temperatures during the summer season in Dubai. People all over the world were asking if it was even possible to build a building this tall, and that was when the tower was designed to be only 518 meters, 10 meters taller than Taipei. The property was developed by Emaar Properties and architects Skidmore, Owings & Merrill LB, headed by renowned American architect, Adrian Smith. reaching 828 meters, 2,716 feet 6 into the sky. The new skyscraper was soon dubbed the vertical city and became an icon of the modern world.
Artistical works.
Burj Khalifa and Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard are decorated with more than 1,000 pieces of art from prominent artists from the Middle East and the world. Many of these pieces of art were curated by Emaar with the aim of showing the harmony of the universal spirit. Burj Khalifa is one of the global symbols of cooperation, and therefore the art pieces were chosen with the aim of spreading the meanings of communication between cultures and societies.
Burj Khalifa construction schedule.
January 2004 start of drilling operations. February 2004 beginning of laying the foundations. March 2005 start of superstructure works. June 2006 level 50 reached. January 2007 level 100 reached. March 2007 level 110 reached. April 2007 level 120 reached. May 2007 level 130 reached. July 2007 level 141 reached. The tallest building in the world. September 2007, level 150 reached. The tallest freestanding structure. April 2008 level 160 reached. The tallest structure built by man. January 2009 completion of the construction of the top of the tower. The superiority of Burj Khalifa. September 2009 the completion of the exterior cladding. January 2010 the official opening ceremony. With this, we have come to the end of the video, which included all information about Burj Khalifa. You can learn about a variety of topics that revolve around buildings or architecture. Just activate the notification bell to receive all new things. We hope that we have provided you with a comprehensive guide about the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the most important information and facts that you may hear for the first time. In addition to the facilities that the tower embraces and the most prominent Burj